we are giving you a sneak peek of what you would find for our summer camp. We are having 2 summer camps. Actually, one is about science and debate, and the other one is using AI to improve your writing. So we call it AI-based writing. And
let's look over here at the first part. It says, warm up. Earth is becoming more polluted. Who can tell me what polluted means? Anyone? Oh, Vanessa, yes?
Polluted is like if you're smoking, you're polluting, and it's not very good for the earth.
And today we are focusing on something that's really fun. Everybody loves comics, right? So this will take us to really how do we use AI and different sorts of resources in IT technology to help us to create comics.
We are going to build a little wind turbine. So if everyone can get these items, then we can make one together. Excuse me. A scissors. Do you have a scissors? We need a scissors. Let me write down. Let's get the whiteboard out here. I'm gonna write down all the items we need. Through the straw. So that it goes all the way through. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, like this. And then when the wind blows, this will turn. When the wind blows, this will turn.
So guys, interested about making novels and comics? Well, we could use something that maybe some of you have already used. Does anybody use Canva? Raise your hand if you have used Canva before in your, like for your projects, for your presentations. Okay, no one? You might want to use this because it's so incredible, very resourceful. Canva is actually a graphic design software, and there is a free version of Canva. So we have the opportunity to use it. But what's really interesting about Canva is that the kind of technology, they even use machine learning. So they can do specific things like photo editing, automatic photo editing, adjusting, but they give you so many wonderful templates.